Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you 2 fun ideas for photo shoots that you can do at home.
For both shoots, we wanted to be very intentional with our use of color. We've been following the work of Joanna Kustra, and she's been a major influence of our preparations.
For the bath shoot, preparation was so important.
To help plan our color harmonies, we used Peloton, an online color scheme designer, to choose the colors that would be in our shots. To achieve the dreamlike bath color, we poured 2 small jugs of milk into the water.
You may be sitting in the bath for quite a while, so make sure it's warm enough after adding the cold milk. We wanted to achieve a complementary color harmony of orange and blue, and that influenced the makeup style we went for and also the fruit that we chose.
In terms of lighting, we just wanted to use a simple on-camera flash for the shots.
For the second shoot, we used a TV screen to provide a neon look for a night portrait. Again, with the help of Peloton, we chose our color palette before going in. We decided that we liked the look of green, red, and blue on the skin, and looked for their complementary colours on the colour wheel.
For this image, we chose an analogous harmony. Colours that sit next to each other on the colour wheel, so in this case, green and blue. Here, we wanted to manipulate the colours in post to create a complementary harmony. So since pink doesn't sit opposite red on the colour wheel, we changed the hue to green for a more effective image.
Monochromatic colour schemes are derived from a single base hue and extended using its shades, tones, and tints.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
We'd love to see your home photo shoots, so be sure to send us the photos.
That's all for now.
See you next time!
One more time.
Yeah.